When I open phone app, it's showing an error, set phone as default. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open settings. So go to the settings and scroll down, find apps option. Just click on this option. Now click on default app. If default app does not showing up, then go to the search bar and search for default app. Now click on default app. Here you can see phone app option. Just click on this option. Now your phone has the Truecaller app as the default, so that you're facing the problem. Now you need to select phone app as the default. So select phone app. Now go back to home screen and check your problem solved successfully. By this way, you can easily solve this problem. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.